create composition. Take a rectangle over composition. Now go to shape properties. Break the lock. Divide the length by 3. Hit enter. Now go to align and select the left align icon. Ctrl+D to duplicate. Click on middle align icon, then again duplicate by pressing Ctrl+D and click on right align icon. Now import clips. I have selected these 3. Select one clip and drag and drop over the shape layer. Track matte it with the shape layer. Adjust the clip accordingly. Similarly, track matte the other 2 clips with the shapes and adjust position and scale accordingly. Select pen tool and change the stroke color to white. Draw vertical line with pen tool and increase stroke size. Draw another vertical line. That's it.